Making high-quality product videos from simple text is now possible directly from your browser with AI. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Steve AI, then open the website and access the free AI video generator section. After entering the dashboard, choose the Text-to-Clip feature. This is where the AI converts your written idea into a complete product video automatically. In the prompt area, describe your product in detail. Mention the product style, how it should appear on screen, the type of advertisement you want, the mood, transitions, lighting, and even camera movements for a more cinematic result. Next, adjust the settings to match your content style. You can select the video length, choose the output ratio for platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, and switch between different AI generation modes depending on the quality you want. These customization options help you create videos that look more polished and platform-ready. Once your setup is complete, hit the Generate button and allow the AI to process the video. In just a short time, the tool creates a professional product ad with animated scenes and smooth visuals based entirely on your text prompt. After the generation is complete, preview the result, download the final video, and start using it for marketing, e-commerce promotions, or social media content. This workflow makes AI product video creation incredibly fast and beginner-friendly without needing editing experience.